wire fence?
Mm-hmm.
Can anyone take a guess about what that black stuff might be?
Kara?
Black fur.
Yeah, that's black fur. That's fur from a black bear. And what we did there is we put some food on the ground just to be kind of like bait for the bear, and then we put the fence there around the bait. And when the black bear came up to get the food, he rubbed against the fence and it pulled some of his fur off. It didn't hurt him or anything like that, just pulled some extra fur off. But here's the cool thing. We could then take that fur and go back to our lab, and we could look at it under a microscope, and we could also do some chemical tests on it, and we could figure out who that black bear was, who its mom and dad were, what it had been eating. If it had certain diseases, we could tell all sorts of things about that bear just by looking at that fur under a microscope. So that's a really good thing for us to be able to do, is we just take a tiny little bit of fur, or sometimes we'll take a tiny little bit of blood when we have an animal darted, and we can look at it under a microscope and learn a whole lot about the animal that way. Let's go to the next picture, please.